Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So today video is going to be very branded now, because in this video we tell about the tomorrow price. Can in June 20, my friends, they will give you a profit or not? Can they will wake up, they will go up or not? So let's get started this brand video. Kindly, I will also update you. I also share opinion, but let's see, my brother. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have a request to subscribe this channel and like this video. This time, my brother, the XRP latest price, as you can see here, is on the screen, and absolutely the price is decreased now 0.7 from a 0.8 now. So it's mean, my brothers, to they will fails down absolutely, my friend. As you can see here, the last 24-hour change occur. As you can see, my friend, they will negative, but absolutely you can see, my friend, this time the last 1 hour, so the last 1 hour change will be positive. I know, my brothers, to this is short fail. I cannot give you a fact news. Remember, this is, I know, my brothers, to short jump, and absolutely after a short jump they fails down. I know, my brother, but just a minute, man. If you can see, my friend, this time the average minus 0.61%, so it's mean to the average is going to be down now, and I am 100% sure to this average just and only, my friends, tonight they will change and to positive now. So let's see, I will give you guarantee, my brother. I'm 100% sure to that will give you a good profit just in only tomorrow. So you need to wait tomorrow if you are a short-term investor. So this is absolutely very good for you, my brothers, to you hold it. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, but before you hold it, you sell it, you take any decision, just and only research personally, because this is very good for you, my brother, to you understand better now. Absolutely, I see, my friend, the Twitter, I see the Google, Instagram, everywhere I search about XRP. I think XRP one of the best coin, my friend, this time in the crypto market, and it's priority from a lot of coin this time in the crypto market. You know which one especially? This is a very stable coin. They cannot fails down. When they fails down, absolutely they very laterally, they're very small letter, my friend, they very badly fails down. But remember, my brothers, too, when a lot of coins, especially like Dogecoin, you know, this time and those days, Dogecoin is fails down like a rocket, absolutely like a miss rocket. So therefore I will tell you to, if you want to invest in XRP, so it's a very good option now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do tomorrow. We all need for tomorrow, we all need for especially I'm a long-term investor, so I wait for 2022. I have no plan to sell it before 2022, but this is just a short-term investor. So if you have any plan to invest for a short time, then exactly this coin is also good for you, my brother. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.